Shiba has been up over 2% of the day. Actually, it was up a little bit higher today, so that's really good for Shiba and everybody who's holding Shiba. But the real story to me that's coming up at some particular point is going to be these NFTs that's going to be hitting the Shiba Swap. And I do believe this will help the Shiba Swap ecosystem. So that got me thinking and adding some numbers up in the actually Captain spreadsheet. Let's talk about it right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. We're just going to do some analogy if you have 500 million SHIB. Things are starting to move in the positive direction, so why not, do some math for fun? So here's the deal. Here we got 5 zeros in this price that's currently that we picked from literally CoinMarketCap, and the value will be $39.25 if you holding 500 million SHIB. Now the estimate market cap is 2.7 billion, which if I go look it here, is pretty close, and actually is a little bit higher. So let me go and continue down the line. Now, this is when it starts getting interesting once the Shiba gets moved in price in terms of getting up in value. So 500 million Shiba, look at that. 4 zeros in this price for Shiba, $39,000 is the value. Now, once it comes here, I suggest, in my opinion, to start taking some possibly profits. If it's hit 4 zeros and you got 500 million Shiba, that's $39,000 of value. Now, the estimate market cap will be 27 billion, probably a little bit higher possibly, but 4 zeros in this price, it's really not that far off. We already got 5 zeros in Shiba. 4 zeros more likely will happen in the future. I do believe that will happen. So consider having a strategy once things starts to move up. Now this gets really interesting. 3 zeros in this price where I think some people are waiting for. Now 3 zeros in this price with 500 million Shiba owned makes things very interesting. That market cap will have to be way up, and obviously I know other things will have to be working out. You got to be a burn, you got to be investors in. I understand all that. This is just for fun, entertainment purposes. Now, 3 zeros in this price, $392,000. Now, you definitely need to consider taking some profits if you holding 500 million SHIB or even close to that amount. 3 zeros, I do believe that will happen in the future. In the future, I do believe that will happen. And if it does, just be ready on what to do. If you're holding 500 million or 100 million or even 50 million, just be ready to go. So, but that market cap is high, but anything can happen. Now here, you might be sitting back thinking, is this really going to happen? 2 zeros in this price. That's over $3 million. Now, that's 500 million SHIB. The price will have to be 2 zeros in this price. Estimate market cap is in the trillions now. So don't go running away from me right now. Just stay with me right now. Entertainment purposes, just like I said before. Now, if it hits that price, $3 million, I'm sure there are going to be a lot more moves going to be making around that house. Those bills on the kitchen table, that white kitchen table next to the mustard and the ketchup, will be paid off easily. So the message just came into the door right now. So if it does that, yes, do this. Go ahead, make your move. Now, this is the granddaddy of them all. This is a granddaddy. Most people have this pipe dream of making it 1 cent. Now, I understand there's a lot that needs to happen. 23 trillion in the market cap just for Shiba alone. A lot that have to happen. I understand that people say it won't happen. I'm just saying, why not see what it's worth if you stay strong and hold to that point and everything goes right? Well, not everything, but right enough. 1 cent will be worth $5 million. $5 million of 500 million SHIB. Now, 23 trillion market cap makes you go, And let me go ahead and wipe my face off here, because if it hits that, man, there's going to be a lot of beautiful smiles out in the world. Shiba, millionaire, all this stuff. Anyway, but listen, I did another one here just for a bonus, just to kind of see a reaction, to be honest with you. And this is this one right here. 10 cents. You mind that 10 cents? 10 cents. And let me change this to 500 million SHIB. 10 cents. Look at this. Oh my goodness. So 500 million SHIB, $50 million, 10 cents. Now I understand you're probably thinking, no way that's happening. No way. I ain't saying it's gonna happen. I'm just giving you some numbers of like how much that would be worth if it hits that certain price. 39 trillion in the market cap. I know you in the back. You probably sitting there like, nah, I'm about to go ahead and click off this video right now. He crazy. I know. Don't click off it yet, because let me get you back to a realistic number. Right now we're here. I do believe we will hit here in the future. So think about it, $39,250 with 500 million SHIB. And then we got here. I do believe up until this point, this has a chance of happening in the future. 3 zeros in this price, $392,000. You can do a lot with that. You can do a lot with that. You know what? So just think about this for a moment. I was just sitting there thinking, okay, Shiba's up in price. It's moving up slowly. And then I'm like, okay, these NFTs are coming through the Shiba swap. So let me get back to the calculation. 500 million SHIB, it's a big deal to me. And let's see what happens in the future. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. It's early. Shiba's still an early project, but the people who hold and patient, and they go through the grain, they go through all the naysayers, they go through all the people saying, you need to sell now, you need to buy something else. Listen, just stay focused on what you have, you know what? And understand that the people who wait and do their research, they usually get rewarded at some particular point. So, not really financial advice, but think about it. Have a strategy and go for it. All right, I'll see you on the next video.